Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is probably recorded before a lot. Okay, wait, let me start over. This video is going to be uploaded before a lot of the older videos that I've recorded. I have a lot of footage, but I just haven't edited it. But this one is one that I've been waiting to do for a little minute, so I'll probably be more enthusiastic to edit it. So it'll probably be up before those other ones. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my hygiene items. I'm not gonna really say routine because sometimes I don't have a routine. I can give you all a general idea though. So I did just get my nose pierced, and y'all can't see it, but I got my belly pierced too. So I'll start with that because there's only one item. Since I just got it done, I have to clean it. You should clean them anyway, but I definitely have to clean it more. I got this from CVS. Just like saline. The one that she showed me they didn't have. It's the same brand, except this one is more like a, I'll say like a upped version of the one she showed me. Like, you know, it does everything. Okay, next we will go to the skincare. My skin, it really does its own thing, and it's a lot based off of you know, diet, things like that. But this is what I use. So I use St. Ives. Now I will say a lot of these products, well, I'm not gonna say all of them, but some of them are probably like no's in certain communities. For example, like if you ask a person with curly hair, did they use K2, they gonna look at you. They gonna say, no, you're not supposed to use that. It's bad for your hair. It's bad. I've heard that this isn't good, but I don't use it often. It's more like a once a month to, like, you know, exfoliate. But I definitely don't use it every day because I know that's bad for your skin. Like, breaking it down and making it basically just raw all the time and like rough. This, same for this, you can see it's barely used. I use this like rarely. I got it because I was having a problem with my skin. Like, it was like really dry, and I couldn't have that, so I started using that, and it's really gentle. It's alcohol free, which I feel like really helped me. Another thing I use is CeraVe, Cetaphil. I use Cetaphil more than CeraVe. We kind of strayed away from CeraVe in my house and moved towards Cetaphil and like things like that. And I will say it's really good. Another one that we use is Neutrogena. It's like the orange one. I'll try to put the ones that I don't have right now up. I have the Cetaphil, but it's in the bathroom and my brother is in there. So yeah. Another thing is this. This is, if I'm not mistaken, not a toner. This is also not a makeup remover, if I'm not mistaken. It's not. I don't know what it's really for, which sounds really bad, but it works for me. I use it after, usually I wash my face, especially in my nose area and around my eyes if I had on mascara, even though, like I said, it's not makeup remover. Not my turtle being over there, y'all. I'll be right back. He was stuck in there. He was stuck. Yeah, is that all for skincare? No, it's not. Another thing I use is The Ordinary. I've heard mixed reviews about this, but this is the one that I've been using. I'm not really sure if y'all can see that. I'll try to put the names down here. I'm gonna have to do some real editing with this one. And then, yeah, see, that one. I use that maybe like once a day, usually at night. And then I use the rose oil, which really helped with my acne scars. I saw this thing that if you have acne scars, you should stay away from like certain acids, you know, that are in the face washes. And I want to say I do believe that's true. He got stuck again. Okay, I'm gonna put him away, y'all. Anyway, yeah, I feel like it definitely has helped. These ones are fresh because I came on, you know, that time of the month, and I always break out, and heat breaks me out bad. But I have sensitive skin, so like I break out on my arms from just certain things, and yeah, it's a whole thing. But next we're going to, oh no, I forgot one. Vaseline. Vaseline is the god. Vaseline and Aquaphor. I put on Vaseline. If I don't put on The Ordinary, I'll put on Vaseline overnight. face be feeling juicy and plump. It's really like the cheat code to everything. Aquaphor, I don't use Aquaphor as much because it's so thick and it's just annoying. Vaseline kind of rubs into the skin easier, in my opinion. We can go on to like shaving and, you know, down there. Shaving, I just use disposables. I don't really use anything fancy or reusable. I just use disposable. When you're shaving, let me use something else. I dropped it. When you're shaving for my arms and my legs and like my you know, everything else but the down there and my underarms, I shave against the grain. What is that paper? You shave against the grain, but for down there in my armpits, I shave in the direction that the hair is going because it's really thick. And I don't know, I used to use Nair, but it just, one, it tingles, which isn't uncomfortable for me, but two, the aftermath of wiping it, it's like it, if I'm not mistaken, if I'm not wrong, it basically disintegrates the little white, I forgot, I'm sorry y'all, but yeah, so you can wipe the hair away, but that part is so hard and it takes so long in my opinion. I would rather just shave and be done, or wax, but waxing is not really my cup of tea. No, that's not my cup of tea. That's really it. I'll say deodorant. This is the deodorant that I usually use. I moved away from Degree and like Dove and stuff like that. I used to use the crystal ones for a little while, but those ones were just, they weren't really, I wasn't really feeling it. This one though, I really do like that one. It works in my opinion, and it doesn't leave any like white or nothing. Going to oral care. Crest, I use Crest. I also use the Hello brand, but I ran out, and this is the one my mom replaced it with. But she usually gets the ones with like peroxide, baking soda in it. The Hello one is just like, I'll put it, it's just like the white one. We were using the charcoal one, but it just made a mess everywhere. The white one is fine. And then peroxide as a mouthwash. I usually do this first and floss so that the peroxide can get, you know, all in there. The first few times it'll be kind of weird, but for me it's just normal now at this point. This, I don't know if you've ever seen this. They're not lying about this. One, it has no alcohol in it, so you can keep it in your mouth longer and you don't feel like rinsing. And two, I don't know, he ate with it. He just ate with it, and it's good. My breath doesn't smell, not that my breath ever really did, but you know, we all have our days. But with this, I feel like this is my favorite one. They have like a blue one, a green one. This one and the green one might be my favorite one. It's not a joke. When you see other people saying that they use that and it's good, it's really good. And I don't know the cost because I'm gonna say my mom buys a lot of this stuff for, you know, the house, so I can't really give that price, but if you want I can always look it up. Let me know. Moving on, lip care. I'm not gonna say lip gloss, but Essos. I do love me some Essos or Vaseline. Essos or Vaseline or lip gloss. Because when I get dehydrated, and two, my lips are chapped and I start to lick them, my lips bruise. So I kind of have to stay on top of my lips being hydrated and me being hydrated because it starts on the inside, and my body will let me know. Bad, like seriously. Okay, moving on. Oh, I forgot this for skin. I'm sorry y'all. Lotion, Jergens. The other one I use is over here because I don't remember it off the top, but it works. Cocoa butter or Vaseline, but I like lotion when it comes to the whole body versus Vaseline. Okay, now we can go into the hair. No, we can't because I forgot another thing. Pimple patches, get you some. I used to pick with mine a lot, which is why I had a lot of scars, but this distracts me. I don't know where. These are just some regular, not premium. I know you can use Mighty Patch. I did use those for a little while, but this really did the same thing for me. It just don't have no like medicine or medication in it or whatever, but for me it just stops me from like, you know. And now I'm at the point where I don't really need the pimple patches, but I will put them on because it can help the pimple come out, you know, because it keeps it moist and gooey and whatever. I don't know. Edges, I use this. Nothing really holds my hair down other than this. It's in the front. I use Eco for the rest, like, you know, just every part but the front works pretty well. But for front, this one, especially since I made the dumb decision to get bangs. Yeah, it's starting to be in beauty supply stores, so yeah, I do believe it started off as a small brand, but now it's pretty big. I've seen it in a lot of stores that I've gone to, not like Target, but definitely like beauty supply stores, like, yeah. This one for the curls. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that. There's this TikToker who does the hair, you know, like you look it up and it tells you what's in it, and it'll be like yellow or green or red. I don't know anything about that, or like, you know, for this, I just know it makes my curls pop, and it hasn't really done anything to my hair bad. So yeah, moving on. This, I've been using this since I was a wee baby. Since I was born, my mom been putting that in my hair. And it's not too heavy in my opinion, especially if you add water. And like, it feels like lotion, like oil lotion. I don't know how to explain it, but pink moisturizer, it's always it's good. Blue Magic is another one. This is a grease, like it's grease. It's grease. I usually put them overnight in some braids, and then, you know, by the time I wake up, it's not really that greasy, oily, whatever. It definitely strengthens your hair, I feel like, in my opinion. This one is definitely for making my curls pop. Like I said, I don't know what's in there as far as it being good for your hair. I don't know. I just know that it's worked, and it has never personally done anything to my hair. And it's not one of those products where, like, if you mix another product, you get those clumps, which the other brand, I forgot the name of it, that used to, I'm in the middle of doing my hair, almost done, and I add some edge control, like, and it started clumping. Why? This, I use this especially when I have in my braids, like, that are parted, because it makes it easier. This one I don't put in much because it has mint in it, and you can feel that mintiness in your scalp, but it's definitely helps with the front of my hair, because I used to have, like, I'm not gonna say balding, but I used to do a lot of ponytails, and the tension definitely kills your hair. It will stop your hair from growing. That's why they be telling y'all don't get them little high ponytails, because then you left with the circle in your head. But yeah, I'm trying to think, as far as like womanly products, I just use Always. I know there's some controversy on that, but that's what my mama get, and you know, it's not good for pH and things like that. But another thing, down there, do not put soap down there. I don't care if it says feminine hygiene wash or unscented. No. Only thing that's supposed to be down there is water and a rag in your to clean it. You know, that's, don't put nothing down there. You're gonna regret it in the long run. But yeah, I feel like as far as hygiene, that's all. If y'all feel like I missed anything or any category, let me know. I might have. I know I have a lot of stuff, so it's like, this is just the stuff that I mainly use. The other stuff is like stuff that I tried or wanted to see how it works, or like I just don't even use it, but it's still there and I low-key need to throw it away. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like I've been making a lot of in-home content and a lot of more on the beauty side, but I'm gonna get back to the vlogs. I meant to vlog my passport and piercing video, but it was a busy day and I really couldn't concentrate on that, so I do apologize though. But I'm gonna see you on the next one.